let's talk about the EFE matrix. No? Yung EFE matrix class, sa totoo lang, yung EFE pati yung IFE matrix, yung EFE matrix, that means external factor evaluation matrix, yung IFE naman, internal factor evaluation matrix. Ginagawa actually ito pagkatapos ng SWOT. So, SWOT muna kayo. SWOT muna bago mag-EFE. Okay? So, the EFE looks like this. So, this is the internal external factor evaluation matrix of Jollibee Food Corporation. Okay. So, in your EFE matrix, again, you have a column. And in the first column, no, the extreme left of the table, you will see here that what is listed, no, are the key external factors that will affect, no, the business. In other words, these are the things that will make your business successful. Parang ano din, parang CPM matrix din. Okay, pero concentration na EFE matrix ay yung external opportunities and external threats facing your company. Saan po manggagaling itong opportunities and threats na to? O manggagaling yan sa SWOT. Kaya nga sinasabi ko una yung SWOT. SWOT yan. Kung ano yung nakas na sa SWOT, iyan din ang nasa EFE. So, in this case, EFE matrix, ang nakalist dito, yung opportunities and threats facing Jollibee Food Corporation. And it is based on this is based on the SWOT of Jollibee Food Corporation. Ayan. Okay? Now, just the same, no? If you look at the second column, you will be assigning weights. So, weights tayo dyan. Diba? Tapos, yung weights, well distributed dyan, of course, you will see that the total should again be 1. Okay, laging 1 ang total. Parang 100. Okay, so you assign weights, the bigger the weight, no, the more important is that particular opportunity or threat to the success of the company. So like in this case, no, with regards to opportunities, they believe that in terms of opportunities, the most important factor, taste, di ba? 0.10 eh, 10% yan. Tsaka new products. Yan ang mataas na score nila. Yung mababa sa kanila, ayan, yung 0.05 partnership with media and other industries. So, you see? So, that's how they weighted the opportunities. When it comes to threats, they gave a high score of the threat of the pandemic, 0.15. Also competition. Yan, 0.13. Okay, in terms of threats. The lowest, okay, new entrants in the industry. Okay, so ganyan lang. So, you distribute your weights, make sure that you give higher weights to external opportunities and threats that will spell success, no, or doom to your company. Okay, and then after that, you also rate your opportunities and threats. Okay, so kayo magbibigay ng weight, kayo mag-assign ng weights, kayo din ang magre-rate. So ang rating, ayan, the rating in external matrix refers to how effectively a company strategy responds to opportunities and threats. Okay, so how good is your company in responding to external opportunities, external threats? Okay, this is the legend of the rating. 4 means you respond very well, superior response. 3, above average response. 2, average response. And number 1, poor response. Okay, ayan. Okay. So, dito, no, sa example natin, no, mataas ang rating, no, ng evaluators, no, sa Jollibee, no, pagdating sa taste, okay, developments in shopping malls. So that opportunity to them is very nice. Jollibee responded well. Also acquiring establishments, their introduction of new products, partnership with the other media, other industries. When it comes to threats, they fear most. They see that uh, the greater threat to the success of the company, the greater threat that they actually fear most is the rise in the number of calamities, uh, change and taste in preferences of consumers, and of course the pandemic. Okay, so ayan. Although asterisk itong itong rise in the number of natural and man-made calamities tsaka yung pandemic, kasi yung SWOT na yan, no, those factors are too general, no. Sabi ko nga, hangga't maaari, huwag tayong masyado maglagay ng masyadong general, no. Mag-concentrate lamang tayo doon sa very specific to the product, specific to the industry. Okay. Pero pwede nga rin ilagay yan. Okay, kung wala talaga. No, gano'n naman minsan eh. No? Pero as much as possible, you look for something specific. Kasi masyadong general yan. Pwede yang i-apply sa kahit na anong negosyo. Ibig sabihin yung factors na yan. Okay, so yan ang EFE matrix. After nyan, dapat meron kayong explanation. May narrative yan. Mamaya, pakita ko kayo ng example ng narrative. Pagkatapos gumawa ng EFE matrix at IFE matrix, you have to compose a narrative explaining the EFE factor success, the key external factors. You have to explain that, no? And then why you gave a particular high score, no? You discuss the highest scores, no? Why in particular you gave a very high score for these external opportunities and threats, no? And also the lowest scores. Now, you have to discuss why you give a low score for this particular threat, this particular opportunity. So, may narrative yan. Okay, so after showing the table, after you show the table, you have an explanation under the table. Okay? So, this is the definition of the IFE. This is internal ito. Sorry. Sorry. So the internal factor evaluation matrix is a strategic analysis tool used to evaluate the firm's internal environment and to reveal its strengths as well as weaknesses. So very similar, mapapansin nyo to the definition of EFE. Pagkakaiba lang, no? Ayan, dun sa internal environment. No? This is what we are trying to analyze here. And of course, we want to reveal the strengths and the weaknesses of the company. Okay. Dito kasi sa EFE matrix, mapapansin nyo, external environment, ang ini-evaluate natin, and opportunities and threats, no, are the factors being evaluated. Okay. So, ang pagkakaiba ng EFE, IFE matrix ay iba yung environment na ina-analyze nila. No? Yung EFE external, yung IFE internal. Okay. So, how does the IFE matrix look like? It's also a table like this. Lakihin natin. Ayan. Okay. So, this is the IFE matrix of Jollibee Food Corporation. Sorry, sorry for the typos. I apologize. Okay. Okay. This is the internal factor environment matrix of Jollibee Food Corporation. Okay. Again, what is listed down here are the key factors, but this time they are internal. So you list down the internal strengths, the strengths of the company, and of course, the weakness of the company. So these are the strengths of Jollibee Food Corporation, and these are the weaknesses of Jollibee Food Corporation ang konti naman. Kulang sa research yung evaluators. Ang konti ng internal weakness. So, ayoko makakita ng ganyan. Konti, dadalawa lang. Okay? As you study the environment, as you study your company, and the way it operates in the environment, makaka-discover kayo dyan ng mga insights, so that you can add more to your SWOT. So as you see here, what is listed are the strengths and weaknesses, and again, these are based on the SWOT. So kung ano yung nakasulat sa SWOT, yun din na nakasulat actually dito sa IFE Matrix, pati sa EFE. And again, you assign weights there. Okay, you assign weights. And they all total 1, as you see. Okay. So you assign the highest weight for factors that you think are very important for the company to be successful. Okay, for example, they assigned a weight of 0.15 because they think Jollibee's brand is a very important strength. Okay, that's the most important strength. Yung iba, 0.10. Okay, pero ang lowest nila ito, 0.05. Ito na yung mga strength din siya, pero not so significant. Okay. The most critical weakness is the declining sales of chicken joy. They think they have to address that. Okay, so they gave it a weight of 0.15. And then again, you rate it 1 to 4. So this is the rating for the IFE. This is the legend for the ratings of the IFE. So you give it a 4 if you find that it is a major strength. You give it a 3 if it is a minor strength. You give it a 2 if it's a minor weakness, and 1 if it is a major weakness. Now, you take note, class. Ang score para sa internal ay 3 and 4 lamang. Ang score para sa strength, internal strength ay 3 and 4 lamang. 4 and 3 lang. Tingnan mo to. 4 and 3 lahat yan. What they are rating is strength. Okay. Ngayon, for weaknesses, ang score 1 and 2. Okay. You understand? So, when you are rating a strength, 3 and 4 ang score. If you are rating weaknesses, 1 and 2. Okay? Hindi pwedeng mag-rate ng 4, halimbawa sa weakness. Kasi magbabago yung interpretation, lalabas niyan, malakas. Malakas masyado yung weakness na yon. Okay? So, magbabago. Okay, magbabago yung interpretation. Isang scoring yan, 3, 4 sa strength. Tapos 1 and 2 para sa weakness. Diba? So, hindi rin pwede maglagay ng 1 sa strength kasi magbabago ang interpretation niya. Lalabas yung strength. Weakness Diba? Kala ko ba strength? Bakit 1? Diba? Ganun yun. Okay? So, after that, again, you get the weighted score. Did I explain weighted score a while ago? I guess that's it, no? If you have any concerns, you just message me. Okay? Class? Okay, so I guess that's it. You take lots of care. God bless, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.